Hey guys, Brian here with Limelight Detailing in Meridian, Idaho, and today I just wanted to do a quick overview and demonstration of how we clean underneath car seats, and really just kind of show what it is that is and might be underneath your car seat. This particular customer has had a complaint about just odor and smell coming on the inside of the car. They couldn't figure out what it is. Who knows what this is or what's been spilled under here, but a lot of times it's, odors can be trapped in your car in a number of different places. Usually it has to do with stuff that's been spilled onto the carpet or onto the seats. Odors can also get trapped in your ventilation system, and so I just want to show you how we clean up all of this mess. So this looks like it's some kind of food or something. It's pretty grody under here, but it's really necessary to get this cleaned up and to get the smell permanently removed. So you can see this is underneath the driver's seat, and this is the air conditioning and heater vent. And so we're gonna just clean up all this area. So the first thing we want to do, I have right here just a pump action sprayer. And so I have a mix in here, and you can see some of the products in other video demonstrations that we use. I won't go over that in this video, but you can just see what we do. We're just gonna pre-treat the whole area. Oops. So I'm just spraying this right now. We're gonna get this whole area pretty well saturated. I mean, you don't have to just completely soak it, but you wanna get it just a nice mist over everything. Okay, so you can be pretty liberal with it. You're not going to hurt anything. All right, so I've got the whole area treated with our pre-treat. It's a shampoo. Also, there's some additives in there to get rid of odor. And so the next thing I'm going to do is I got a little carpet brush right here, and I'm going to just agitate this into the carpet. So what this is doing is it's mixing all of our product, all of our cleaning agents into the carpet fibers. It's breaking down odor. It's also working as a shampoo and actually cleaning the carpet. If I could describe to you what this smells like through a video, I would. It's not great. And while I'm doing this, I just want to explain. So there's three main properties of cleaning. This might sound a little nerdy, but basically what those three properties are is, number one is chemical. So what chemicals are you using to clean? The second thing is pressure. So how much pressure are you using to clean an object or a surface? Sometimes, that's why pressure washers are so popular. Why? Because you use pressure and it blows things off. Well, when you're cleaning carpets, and you can just see like this is turning yellow, just because whatever we're using is, or whatever's in there is really getting buffed out. So we've used we've used chemical, which we use organic chemicals for cleaning things. We try to use products that are safe for you. We also do a good job of cleaning. So we've used our cleaner. We've applied some pressure with the brush. And then most effectively and most importantly is heat, which is why we emphasize so much in our videos and in our services that we use steam to sanitize things. It's one thing to just agitate. A lot of detailers right here would just extract this out with water, or they maybe vacuum it out. We take it a little step further and use 345 degrees of steam, which is a lot. That's very, very hot, and that's going to break down anything that's actually built up. It's actually going to kill and sanitize everything that is in your carpet. So we're just going to get this done real quick. All right, there you go. So we've got everything broken down. Our next step would be to actually extract this out of the carpet. I'm not going to do that in this demonstration. I just want to show you how we break things up in carpet and why steam is so important. It's actually sanitizing surfaces, which, with everything going on right now, and we don't want people to get sick. So one of the best ways you can help yourself and boost your immune system is to clean and sanitize the surfaces that you're in constantly, which your vehicle is obviously one of those places. So anyway, just a quick demonstration of what we do to steam clean and get rid of nasty stuff that's in your carpet. If you need your car detailed, give us a call. We'd love to do it. 208-391-3455, or you can check us out at limelightdetail.com.